Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the CORREL function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the correlation coefficient of two cell ranges. So this is why for the purpose of this video I have the following sets of data. So we'll have set 1 and set 2, and we're going to calculate the correlation coefficient of each one of those two sets. Those two sets, sorry. This is the formula that this will follow in order to calculate the correlation coefficient. So for the purpose of this video and to be able to run this function, as I said a little bit before, we need two sets of data. So we have our set 1 here, set 2 right here. So I used random numbers for each of those sets. And what we are going to do right now, we are going to apply the correlation function to those two sets. So this function is pretty simple to apply. So we'll start with an equal sign, and then we can just write down CORREL. And just like that, we will be able to select our first array, so our set 1, which is the numbers right here. Once we have selected our first set of numbers, we are going to do the same thing for the second set of numbers, which is just right here. Then we can close our parentheses and just run this function. And just like that, we are able to have our CORREL function. And we know that the correlation of this set of numbers and this set of numbers will be 0.075378. So this is how you use the CORREL function to calculate the coefficient of correlation between two sets of numbers inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.